Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming eligibility and gathering your ID photo. Create or sign into your ETS account because that's where everything lives. Once done, choose the GRE type and a rough date range that fits application deadlines. This narrows options and avoids back and forth. Make sure your name matches ID exactly. Then open the registration page, select the test location or GRE at home option, and have your payment method ready so you can secure a slot quickly. Now you pick a specific date and center. Search dates around your preferred window and compare centers by travel time and seat availability. Pick the earliest reliable slot if deadlines are tight. Once selected, complete the registration form with test choice, preferred language, and accommodations if needed. Next, enter payment information and review fees. After payment, pause and confirm the on-screen confirmation number, then download and save the receipt, because you'll need it for admission and troubleshooting. Finish by printing or saving your admission ticket and double-checking name, date, center, and time. Make note of reschedule and cancellation deadlines and fees so you can act if plans change. If you spot an error or don't receive confirmation, immediately contact ETS support with your confirmation number and ID. Explain the issue calmly and request correction. If a slot is unavailable, check back frequently for cancellations. New seats often appear, and set calendar reminders so nothing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.